Hello, how y'all doing? I'm going to demonstrate how to disassemble, clean, and reassemble a Sig Sauer P938 9mm magazine. Many of you know that these can be difficult to take apart and put back together. The floor plate does not open, so you have to work from the top by pushing the follower down. Many times this flips and can get stuck. If you try this with a screwdriver or metal rod, you might end up scratching the finish. I use a mag swipe to push the follower down. This is a magazine cleaner shaped like the inside of a magazine. Place a cleaning patch on top. Hold the magazine firmly on a hard surface. Slowly insert. I take my time getting this in. The follower goes down without flipping. Then I place a pin through the second hole from the bottom to hold the spring in place. Remove the mag swipe. You can see this magazine is dirty. Now take out the follower. Place a finger over the hole. Pull the pin, and the spring comes out. I clean the inside of the magazine with a cleaning patch soaked in solvent. Place this on top, run this through. All the gunpowder and dirt comes out. Now make sure this is dry. You want to get all the solvent out of there. I clean the follower. This is straightforward. All the dirt came off. Again, make sure this is dry. Then I clean the spring. Start from the top. It's so important to clean these magazines. Gunpowder and dirt buildup prevents ammo from feeding smoothly into the chamber. Misfeeds and jams eventually occur if you don't clean these. So the spring is clean. I'm going to make sure it's dry. So that narrow portion of the spring, this is the top, that's the narrow portion. I'm working my way towards the bottom. This is the wider part. So when we place this back in the magazine, you want this wider part to go in first. So this goes back in. Now when you place a follower, it's really difficult to push this against a spring. A lot of times this goes airborne. It's a lot easier to push the spring in by itself. Again, use a dry patch. So once this is in, one more time, I'm going to place a pin through the second hole from the bottom. Take out the mag swipe. There's plenty of room to put the follower back in. So place this in. Position it in place. Okay, so it's positioned in place. I hold the magazine upside down, pull the pin. This magazine is now clean, reassembled, and ready for use. I hope you found this demonstration to be helpful. For any questions, comments, concerns, or to purchase mag swipes, please visit our website at magswipes.com. Thank you for watching.